Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. Today we are making smoked deviled eggs, and this one is for Evan. Evan was just talking to me about this yesterday. So Evan, smoked deviled eggs. Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. We're going to do smoked deviled eggs for your holiday party. To start out, for the deviled eggs, we like to use our Instant Pot. So it doesn't matter if you do 6 eggs or 2 dozen eggs, it's the same for all of it. So you put your eggs in the pot, 1 cup of water, put the lid on 5 minutes, right? Cook for 5 minutes. Once it's done and it beeps, you're going to let it natural release for 5 more minutes. Once that's done, you pull them out of here, throw them in a sink in an ice bath for 5 minutes, right? 5-5-5 method. I don't care if it's your store-bought eggs or your farm fresh eggs. These are farm fresh, these are store-bought, and obviously these are going to peel. It's the ice bath that does it. I don't care. Everybody says, oh, you put salt in your water or put baking soda in your water. You can do all that stuff, and that's fine, but I didn't. I did the ice bath for 5 minutes. And that comes off really nice, and we'll grab a brown one. Actually, I think this one's going to peel easier.
Well, it's farm fresh.
Yeah. But just yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, perfect. Perfect eggs every time. I think out of 2 dozen, I usually end up screwing one up, and that's because I get impatient. But look at that. So we're going to get the rest of these peeled up, and we're going to get them out on the smoker. We're smoking these today at 250 because it's cool out. So you want to smoke them between 225 and 250 for 30 to 35 minutes. Don't go past that. They'll turn rubbery. Try and put them either on the top rack or off on the side. You don't want them over the direct heat. So we've got our eggs off the smoker, and look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
It is beautiful.
Yeah.
They're golden.
Yes. So, look at that. Yep. You don't have to fill these right now. I've done this many times where we take these to parties. They're a big hit, but deviled eggs don't travel very well. So, if you line your tray, and then you can put this in our concoction here. You put that in a Ziploc bag. When you get to your party, you cut the corner of the Ziploc bag, and it's like a piping bag, and you can pipe them all in there. Works pretty good. You can also do that now. We've got our tray filled. We've got our taste testers, because you got to have one off to the side to make sure that everything tastes right. A little bit of mustard. Make sure you shake that up. That's probably, I don't know, half a tablespoon. This is 6 eggs.
Ooh, and you're using Dukes.
And we're using Dukes because we got to use Dukes now that we found it. That's probably, I don't know, 4 tablespoons, 3 or 4 tablespoons. We're going to see what that does for us. And we're going to use the Blackstone cheese steak seasoning. You guys can use whatever you want. I've also used garlic salt or garlic powder. Or you can do the traditional paprika, but this stuff is game changer. We need just a little bit more of this Duke's mayo in here. We're going to go, this is a measure with your heart deal. We're going to put this in one of our testers. All right, we're going to give this a shot. I put all of our mixture into the bag, and this makes it super easy. Like I said, if you're going to travel somewhere, just cut the end off and pipe them in. Well, there you go. If you guys have your smoker going for a holiday, throw some eggs on there, get these bad boys smoked up, make some deviled eggs out of them. They will be a party favorite. Deviled eggs for your holiday party. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It helps grow our channel.
I took your container. It was
took
annoying.
My container. It is annoying that you took my container.